Hello mindful foodies, Inga here and welcome to Health Origins. If you're new here, welcome to the channel. If you have been here for a while, welcome back. I wanted to talk about what is my channel about and a slight pivot I'll be doing on the channel. So my channel has been always about healthy, delicious, oil-free, vegan foods, so that's not changing. So I'm gonna still be doing yummy, vegan, oil-free, healthy recipes. I'll be also doing some meal prep as well. But instead of just talking about weight loss and weight loss tips on this channel, I wanted to slightly pivot into a slightly different angle on this. You might know that the motto on my channel is food is fuel. So that is the core theme, the core pillar of my channel, if you like. And so on the same theme, yes, from eating the right foods that fuel your body correctly, you will be losing weight, but I want to concentrate more on being healthy, loving your body, how you are in every stage. If you're losing weight gradually, then I want you to love your body and be confident in your body at every stage. We're going to be talking about emotional eating and how to overcome it. We're going to be talking about just being a bit more mindful eater in general, as to what you eat, maybe the portions you eat, when you eat, listening to that hunger signal, and then slowing down as well and enjoying and appreciating the food more. So overall, just being a more mindful eater. I need to work on some aspects of this myself as well. So this is great. So I'm going to be taking you along my journey, and when I'm teaching you, I'm also teaching myself how to, for example, slow down when eating, because I eat way too fast still, how to listen to my hunger signal more before grabbing to eat something. So yeah, come with me on a journey, and together let's find the right fuels for our body, and to be more mindful of how we eat, and so that we could enjoy the actual foods more, and be happy and confident about our bodies, and also be healthy as well. So I hope you'll join me on this journey. I release 2 videos a week on Wednesday and Sunday, and I love your engagement. I love when you participate in the comments, when you give likes, when you suggest what you'd like to see next, or if you have questions. I read all the comments, by the way, so I would love to hear from you. And yes, I'll see you in my next video, guys. Until next time.